Hi guys, it's Wanza Leftwich and welcome back to our channel, How to Get Out of Debt. And one of the best ways to help you get out of debt is to actually sell your own product. So this way you're making sales and you, with that extra income, you can pay down on your debt. So listen, I have a fabulous site where you can securely sell your digital downloads and get paid instantly. So if you go up here to the top, we have bit.ly/PayHip now. PayHip is an excellent place where you can sell your digital downloads. And I want to show you how you can sign up in just about 5 minutes and get started selling. All right. So let's go to sign up. And before we sign up, let's go to the pricing of PayHip so you can know exactly how much it's going to cost you. You only pay when you make a sale. Do you see that? You only pay when you make a sale. It's only 5% per transaction, no setup fees, no monthly fees, and no hosting fees to worry about. Sorry guys, that's my alarm. So I'm going to show you how to sign up. So hopefully you'll be making tons of sales, but if you don't, you will not get charged anything and there's no monthly cost. So why not sign up and sell some stuff, right? So here we go. So let's sign up. You can do your email address. Okay, so it's obvious that I have my own account here, but I'm going to do another one for this purpose of showing you guys how simple it is to actually sign up with PayHip and get your first product up in about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, so you do your email address, you sign up, you choose a secure password for yourself, you have your dashboard at the top, and it says, welcome to PayHip. Great, add your first product. Very simple, very to the point. Okay, so you can start selling, add your first product. Let's upload a product file. So you can upload, it receives all types of files, but if you're uploading like a Word document, I would change that Word document into a PDF so nobody can like change your words and get your content, that type of thing. So let's upload 5 ways to monetize your devotional. This is actually a product of mine that I do sell. And so, well, actually, I have given it away for free, but I do sell it. And so upload is complete. You see how fast that is. You can also upload another product file. Say if you wanted to pair 2 files together, you can do that right there. And let's come down. You choose your title. So let's put our title in 5 ways. Sorry, got a typo right there. 5 ways to monetize your devotional. Right? And so let's pick our, choose a price. They have $2 here just as demonstrative purposes, but let's put a $1 next to that. Let's make that $12. Click and upload a product cover. You should always have an image that goes along with your product. I actually did this image on canva.com. Very, very simple and very, very to the point. But being that it's not free anymore, I would take that off. But for demonstrative purposes for this video, you guys get my point, right? So then you come down to the description. You can put 5 ways, or you can put learn how to make money with your devotional, right? And so if you have a book that you're uploading, just simply use the back cover copy of your book and put it there in the devotional. And you come down here to category. It's an ebook. Or if you were uploading audio, you can actually upload video with PayHip instead of video. So if you're doing a video series, you can do that as well. Choose a subcategory. You can choose from there if you like. I usually leave it empty. And then you can do add product. And voila, your product is added. You officially have a storefront. This is the link to this particular product. All you have to do is copy and paste it and put it on your social media. Put it everywhere where people can link to it. So let's look at the product page. Here is the product page. So you have the image of the product, you have the title, you have the description, and you also have the price. right? And so right here, it says to be able to receive payments, enter your payment details. So go here and you want to link your PayPal account or your Stripe account to this. So like if you click this right now, it will take you to PayPal. You log in into your PayPal account and you set it up. You just follow the instructions and it's 1, 2, 3. It tells you exactly what to do. Down here, you can also share on Facebook, share on Twitter, share on Google Plus with your friends and your family. And that's it. So this is the most important thing right here is your link to your product. So if you copy it and open up a new browser and actually paste it, this is what you'll see. And this is what your customers will see. But instead of this little notation right here, it will have a buy button. So guys, that is how you set up your PayHip account. So go to bit.ly/PayHip now. Right. But the link is below in the comments. bit.ly/PayHip now. And you can get signed up in less than 5 minutes. So if that was super helpful, leave me a comment below and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.